In this video, I will show you how to find and join WhatsApp channels. Now on WhatsApp, you need to go to updates, which was formerly status, where you will find this information about WhatsApp channels. And as you can see, you can join WhatsApp channels to stay updated with topics that matter to you. And from there, you can go on to find channels to join. And you can browse some channels down here, or use this plus button to find channels. And on this next screen, you can find all these public channels where you can even search and sort them. And to join a channel, you can open it and tap this follow button, or even go to the channel profile and follow the channel from there. You can also tap this plus button next to a channel to follow and subscribe to the channel. And after joining a channel, you can browse their posts and even turn on their notification. And on the channel profile, you can forward the channel to your WhatsApp contacts and groups or communities. You can even share it to other social media platforms. And down here, you can read about the channel profile privacy. And if you want to report the channel, you can still do so. And if you go back to updates, you can find the channels that you follow. And you can always create your own channel if you have that option available to you. And to unfollow a channel, you can tap these three dots and go on to unfollow the channel. You can also go to the channel profile and unfollow the channel from there. In addition, you can tap this tick button to unfollow the channel. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on WhatsApp and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.